This is an antique Wheeler and Wilson W9 or number 9 treadle sewing machine. This isn't the proper base it's in. It's for demonstration purposes only. I have it in here just showing that the machine functions. It's been serviced and gone over, so it's all completely functional. And just to show you how well it stitches, got 6 layers of denim, which are already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And these machines actually go backwards compared to most of them that I'm used to. Here we go. And this gives it a good full speed test. I forgot to mention the serial number too. I'll do that in a second. Nope. Okay, and the serial number on this machine was 3100903. Let's see if we can get a zoom in. And there you can see equal sits, except for when I had my goofy little start there, when the threads got tangled from the back. And there you have it.